Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today we will be discussing how fuel price impact aviation industry. Have you ever wondered how fuel prices impact the aviation industry? Fuel is one of the largest operational costs for airlines, and changes in fuel prices can have a significant impact on the profitability and competitiveness of airlines. In this video, we'll explore how fuel prices impact the aviation industry and give examples of airlines that have been impacted by changes in fuel prices. Before moving forward, if you're loving our learning content, hit that subscribe button and never miss a moment of our content. Fuel prices can have a significant impact on the aviation industry. When fuel prices rise, airlines may have to increase ticket prices to cover the higher operational costs. This can lead to a decrease in demand for air travel, especially among budget-conscious travelers. For example, in 2008, fuel prices skyrocketed, causing many airlines to struggle financially. American Airlines, for instance, had to cancel several routes and cut back on in-flight services to mitigate the impact of higher fuel prices. As a result, the airline posted a loss of $2.1 billion in 2008. On the other hand, when fuel prices fall, airlines may be able to reduce ticket prices and offer more competitive rates to travelers. This can lead to an increase in demand for air travel, as consumers are more likely to book flights when prices are lower. For instance, when fuel prices fell in 2015, many airlines saw their profits soar. Delta Airlines, for example, reported a profit of $4.5 billion in 2015. Up from $659 million in 2014, due in large part to the lower fuel prices. However, the impact of fuel prices on airlines can also vary depending on the type of airline. Low-cost carriers, for instance, may be more vulnerable to changes in fuel prices, as their business model relies heavily on offering low ticket prices to attract customers. For example, in 2020, when fuel prices dropped due to the COVID-19 pandemic, low-cost carrier Norwegian Air Shuttle had to file for bankruptcy. The airline had taken on large debts to expand its operations and was unable to sustain its business model when fuel prices fell. In conclusion, fuel prices have a significant impact on the aviation industry. Changes in fuel prices can lead to fluctuations in ticket prices, changes in demand for air travel, and even bankruptcy for some airlines. It's important for airlines to remain adaptable and innovative in the face of changes in fuel prices to remain competitive in the industry.